Please permit me to welcome on stage a man who had come at a time when Nigeria truly needed him. He came, and on the day of his inauguration, he decided to systematically tackle corruption by ending the fuel subsidy. I thought somebody would applaud that. And he decided to float the exchange rate. And for the first time in this nation, the black market and the real market has been unified. He came, and the allocation to the states and local government has hit the highest number in the recent time in Nigeria. He cleared the $7 billion backlog. He has increased our foreign reserve to the tune of $40.1 billion US. And is taking charge of huge infrastructural projects in Nigeria. The 700-kilometer coastal highway, the 1,000-kilometer Sokoto-Badagry, the $3 billion Eastern Rail Line, the local government financial autonomy, free tuition for the federal technical colleges. Ladies and gentlemen, the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Tinubu, GCFR.
Thank you very much. Please have your seat, and I promise to keep the mandate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for that rousing introduction. Your Excellencies, Executive Governor, you are not waiting to be invited into the future. You are building the future. New media is no longer an accessory to our national life. It is fast becoming a central driver of economic growth. We will not lose focus on cybersecurity. Every Nigerian has the right to be protected in both the physical and digital domains. And you are the young people of this country. You remain most important, the most important investment. You are of a nation. Your ideas, your energy, and your commitment to national development are among Nigerians' greatest assets. So I challenge you to use your platforms not only for self-expression, anger, or retaliation, but problem solving, to build solutions that addresses our nation's needs, to mentor others as we grow, and to promote digital literacy and accountability in every corner of our society. Let your leadership be defined by integrity. Let your digital footprint reflect the best of our nation. Let your actions speak of a generation that did not wait for permission to lead. Step forward with your courage and with clarity. Nigeria's path to prosperity will be shaped by many forces. Make yours inclusive and relevant. But none will be more positive than the choices made by those who dare to imagine and who possess the skill to build. Just imagine the Vaghorns, our great female footballers,